Hi, welcome to Spencer's Paper Airplane. In this video, I'm showing you how to fold the Harmer. It has really cool winglets, a really cool wing angle. It glides nicely and you can throw it as hard as you want. Let's see the Harmer in flight and then I'll teach you how to fold it. All you need in order to fold the Harmer is an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. First step is you fold in half. Make sure your corners are very accurate. Like so. Now fold your top edge to your right edge, but only one layer. Flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, but instead fold to your left edge. And now open your paper up so that it's in this orientation. Now you're going to fold down so that this whole triangle turns into a folded down triangle. And make sure your corners at the side are sharp. Right. So and now fold your corners in to the center. Another way I like to do this is you fold back in half and then fold your top edge to the left edge. And do the same thing on the other side. And fold back. And you see there's bubbling on these edges? So you just, if you want to solidify your crease, you can sweep out that bubbling. And you see the tip won't want to exactly lie flat, but that's okay. Do it on the other side, like so. And unfold both of those. Now we're going to fold our outer edge to the crease we just made. Just this. Sure it's really accurate. And fold in. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold your outer edge to the crease you just made. And fold in. Now you're going to fold this tab up to lock the layers. And in our finished design, you can see the tab that's locking the layers like this. And once you do that, we're going to fold our top point to where this edge intersects the center crease right here. But we're just going to leave a little tiny gap like this. I know the layers are thick, but just try to roll it as much as you can and crease. Okay. See this bubbling? You don't want to sweep it out because now you're going to unfold and then this bubbling will all disappear. And fold in half on your existing center crease. And now this crease here, you're going to stand it straight up. And this pocket you're going to basically squash it down so that this point lands on this point, like this. This will become our lock. And now we're going to fold this top point to our bottom point, and our crease will go from this point to this point. This is also very thick, but if it's thick, that's how it's supposed to be. Now we unfold, and these layers will get basically pop out, just like that. So basically you're hollowing out this pocket, and we squash it, big crease on both sides. And so once we lie it flat like that, do it on the other side. Yes. And now that we have both of these creases are reversed, we do it at the same time. If your lock kind of rips a bit, it's okay. It's just the paper fibers doing that. And basically we're gonna put this tab over the lock so that the lock doesn't unfold when we fold our wings. So basically we're opening that tab loosely and then basically curling the lock to put it in. And we do that on the other side. That. Just slide it in. This. Now we're going to fold our wings, wing angles, and winglets. So we're basically going to start at where this edge intersects the front edge. Start over there. And we're going to make a crease so that part of this back edge lands on the back edge behind it, just like this. So this back edge will land on the back edge behind it, just like this. Be sharply. There'll be a little bit of wrinkling at the front, but that's okay. And what I like to do is I like to unfold it so that you don't rip the lock even more. So basically we're just, in order to match the wings, we're just basically creasing against that edge, like this. And you see we have our basic airplane with wings, all the stuff you need for a basic paper airplane. Okay, now we're gonna fold our wings and, winglets and wing angles over here. So the way we do that is we fold this edge into this crease, just like this. Like so. Sharply. And when you fold over your fuselage, that's the part where you hold the plane. This layer should not fold back anywhere on the flap. But if it does, that's okay. The winglets will just be a bit bigger. Now we do it on the other side. Sharply, so. There will be bubbling here, but that's okay because we're going to unfold and then fold this edge again into this crease this time, like this. Then we do it on the other side. So it's accurate, like mine is. this, like so, and you have a finished armor. Okay, now the way I like to set these wing angles is so that this middle flap will be perpendicular to this end flap, just like this. See, it's perpendicular. And now we do that same thing on the other side. Make this middle flap perpendicular to this end flap. And then basically I like to give these main wings lots of dihedral, which means basically a Y shape. And you can like change your wing angles on the middle flap too, like that. And you have a finished armor. Now, if this plane is diving down, just give it a bit of bend at the back edges. This is called up elevator, so that the air pushes and it gives the other molecules of air a downward shove until it actually goes up and lifts the nose up, just like that, so that it doesn't dive down. See, I have up elevator on the finished model, and you're done.